Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how you add a respondent funnel to your dashboard. Now, last video we talked about how you can set up your respondent funnel, and today we're going to go into an actual application of when it's useful and how you can add it to your dashboard so you can do reporting on it. Now, this is pretty simple. The way in which you're going to go about doing this is to create a new project. You're going to head over to CX dashboards here. It's different than BX dashboards, which has a distinct BX dashboards name, while CX dashboards just has a regular dashboards name. If you click on that and get started, I'm going to call this Respondent Funnel Dashboard. I'm going to create that project. Now, when I'm creating my dashboard, I'm going to need to add a dashboard name. Let's call this Dashboard 1. I'm going to create it from scratch. And then to add the respondent funnel into my dashboard, I'm going to need to add it as a data set. I'm going to want to create this data set. Keep it as data mapper for now. Data set 1. Create this guy. Add a source. So I'm going to add the survey as a source. I believe it was called How to Set Up Your Respondent Funnel in Qualtrics. Actually, no, first, this is something I missed before, but the first thing you're going to want to do is add the respondent funnel first. It's always going to be your first source. That's what we recommend to make sure things map over correctly. And to add this, I'm going to go to external sources and then funnel. Respondent might be in directories. There we go. So it's going to be in directories, then funnel data for my directory. Add that. That looks good. This is fine. I'm going to add another source. Actually, let me add the directory first. I'm going to add my contacts. This is always something good to do. If you add a respondent funnel, always add the directory in tandem with it so that you can report on both the contacts and distribution data. And then finally, I'm going to add a survey. Now the survey itself, I'll need to add more things to make sure that the relevant fields are mapped. Like for example, for the survey, let's see, what's your name? So I'm going to call this name. Map it to what's your name, email, map this to email address, phone number. This is going to be text, it's going to be text value. This is going to be phone number. And then what is number 5? Department. This is also going to be a text set. Department. And then finally, did you like this survey? Is going to be yes or no. Also going to be a text set. Now I have the respondent funnel mapped, directory mapped, and the survey mapped. Now we can save this, and then we can take a look at what this would look like on one page where we're going to look at the directory itself, on a different page where we're going to look at the respondent funnel data, and then another page where we're going to look at the survey data. That's going to be in future videos, but then once I finish that, then I can add this data set. I believe it was called data set 1. When you click add, and then now, as the data set builds in the background here, once this is finished, then we can start adding widgets and then looking at what the respondent funnel would actually show us on the survey itself. Alright, it looks like the dashboard is finished building. There isn't any percentage up here. So the way in which you're going to add the respondent funnel is to go up here to the top left corner, click add, then page from templates. And then you're going to select the template of distribution funnel, select your source of funnel data for your directory, and then you'll be good to go. Hope that clarifies things. If you guys have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out in the comment section below. Always happy to clarify anything and go over anything further. Once again, to recap, when you're adding a respondent funnel to your dashboard for the very first time, the first thing you need to do is you first create your dashboard project here. Then in the dashboard project, there'll be a section where you add a data set, or you can go in here to add it directly. You add a data set. Then once you have that data set in place, you map that data set to the dashboard. You choose it in the dashboard data section. And then after that, in your dashboard page, once you head back in here, then you're going to go top left corner, click add, page from template, select your template, distribution funnel, and select the funnel data as your source. And once you do that, you'll be all good to go. Hope that clarifies things. Once again, if you guys have any additional questions or concerns or anything else you want to go over, please feel free to shout in the comment section below. Always happy to clarify anything or go over anything further. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon in the next video. Take care.